Translation definition. Translation definition is that the translate refer to automatically convert text or speech from one language to another language using the AI. You can see nowadays Teams meeting is also the very good example of the translation definition. Real-time translation app is like Microsoft Translator or Google Translate that can convert in the real-time translation. And nowadays, a very latest item product in the market, that is the goggles. In the goggles, the speaker is there. Basis of that, that can and headphones are also coming, which is whenever a user speaks something in different language, it convert into your desired language, and whatever you will speak, that also convert to their destination's desired language. For example, you know Spanish and the end user know the English. So end user speak in English and you that English convert in the Spanish and you will listen only the Spanish. And whenever you reply in Spanish, that will convert into English and end user will listen into the English. That is the real time translation is also available in the market. That is the translation definition. Subtitle. Subtitle generate the multiple language during the international webinar. So whatever the user speak, basis of that, whatever he speaks, that come into the subtitle on the bottom bar of your screen. And if you don't know that language, then you can read that like language in the bar. If you know English, then you can translate it. There is a lots of option is also available nowadays, so that you can select like that. In image you can see that in the right hand side, in the left image right hand side, there is the option which language you want to translate, and the webinar content will be converted into that language, and you will get that the webinar subtitle there, and then you can understand it. That is something about the subtitle. Another is the translating customer support tickets written into Spanish into English. That I explain you very easy format, right? Often part of the NLP is treating as the separate workload in the Azure because it important and unique capability. So this is the something about the customer ticket system resolving support ticket faster. Domain 1, Part 5, that's the personalization definition. Personalization definition use AI to tailor content recommendation or the experience based on the user preference, behavior, or history. For example, nowadays we are surfing Google, and basis of that, whatever we will surfing, basis of that, if you will open Amazon Flipkart app, so you will get that one on your uh, first page of the app of the Amazon and Flipkart. That is the product recommendation part. This is the example of the personalization definition. In Spotify music suggestion, this is also comes the music based on you listen habit. Whereas the personalization learning platform are adopting difficulty based on the student performance, right? So which type of the data you are surfing, basis of that you get content, right? So these are the example of the personalization